The diagram represents a church window. Calculate the area of the triangular section. And so here we have the triangular section of the window. Now, in order for us to determine the area of this triangle, we're going to use this formula. And the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Now, the base of this triangle is this length right here. This is the base of the triangle. And this length right here is the same length as this particular portion. And so that means that the base is going to be 1.2 meters. That's the base of the triangle. Now we have to determine the height. The height of the triangle is given by 0.6 meters. That's the height of the triangle. And so the base is 1.2 meters and the height is 0.6 meters. And we're going to divide that by 2. Now let's multiply these two numbers. When we multiply 1.2 and 0.6, we get 0.72. And when we divide 0.72 by 2, we get 0.36 meters squared. So that means that the area of the triangular section is going to be 0.36 meters squared. Next, our goal is to determine or to calculate the area of the entire window. But first, we have to find what is the area of this rectangular section. And so let's do that. Let's figure out what is the area of the rectangle. The area of a rectangle is going to be length times width. And that means that we have 2 meters, right? 2 meters multiplied by 1.2 meters, right? The length multiplied by the width. And so 2 meters multiplied by 1.2 meters, and that's going to give us 2.4 meters squared. Now we have to take the area of the rectangle and add it to the area of the triangle to get the total area of the entire window. And so what we do, we say 0.36 meters squared plus 2.4 meters squared is going to give us 2.76 meters squared. So the area of the entire window is 2.76 meters squared. The next question states that the window was fitted with stained glass at a total cost of $2,070. Calculate the cost per square meter of the stained glass. And so since we want to figure out the total cost per meter of the stained glass, we're going to take $270 and we're going to divide it by the answer that we got in the previous question, which is 2.76. And when we divide that, we get 750. And so the answer for this question is 750 because they asked us to calculate the cost per square meter of the stained glass. So the cost per square meter of the stained glass is going to be $750. And that's the answer for this question.